Say you are writing a book for which you need multiple images to illustrate the text contents of your book. You have access in Google Flow. You want to generate those images within Google Flow inside a collection. Google Flow calls it collection, which is something like a folder in our computer. Let's start. Create a new project called Books. Enter the project Books and create a collection using right-click menu. Rename it as Book 1. Enter Book 1 Collection and enable Agent Mode in the prompt area. Click the Maximize button of the prompt box so that it is maximized to the right side of the window. Prepare a text file with all of your image generation prompts with following format: image prompt, space, pipe, space, image name. Return to Google Flow and instruct the agent like this. I want to generate multiple images based on the prompts in a text file. I will paste the prompts from a text file in the next message. The prompt's format is prompt, space, pipe, space, image name. After each image generation, you have to rename each image with corresponding image name. Please generate the images inside this collection already I have made and named Book 1. Do not create a new collection because collection Book 1 is already here and we are already inside this collection. Press Enter or click Send button to send the instructions to the agent. After a while, the agent will reply saying something like, "I'm ready. I've found your Book 1 collection and will generate the images directly into it using the prompt, space, pipe, space, image name format you specified. I'll also handle the renaming immediately after each generation. Please paste your list whenever you're ready." Now, copy the prompts from your text file and paste the prompts into the instruction box. I have used some placeholder prompt just for demonstration purpose. You will use your detailed actual prompt. Send the prompts to the agent. And boom! Your images will be generated after a while and be automatically organized inside the Book 1 collection with the corresponding desired name.